Sloss furnaces in Birmingham, Alabama, once a booming industrial site that helped build the modern South, now stands abandoned. But the steel isn't the only thing left behind. From 1882 to 1971, the furnace ran day and night, its workers toiling in hellish conditions. Over 100 men are said to have died there, some falling into molten steel, others crushed by machinery or overcome by toxic gases. But the most terrifying tale, it's about a man named James Slag Wormwood, a cruel foreman in the early 1900s. Slag was notorious for forcing workers to take dangerous shifts in the heat of the blast furnace. Dozens died under his watch. Then one day, Slag himself, allegedly drunk, slipped and fell from the top of Big Alice, the highest blast furnace, straight into a pool of molten iron. His body was never recovered. Since then, workers and visitors have reported terrifying things. Unseen hands shoving them near high ledges. Disembodied voices shouting commands. A shadowy figure in a foreman's coat roaming the catwalks. In the 1970s, a night watchman even quit on the spot after being chased through the furnace by a figure with glowing red eyes. The legends say Slag never left, and if you go there after dark, you might hear his voice screaming through the rusted pipes, "Get back to work." Sloss furnace isn't just haunted by history, it's haunted by the men it consumed.